Hello, this is a weekly update for Mr. Fix's Science class the week of January 24th. We continued working on our roller coasters. We were making the parts of diagonals, the shelves, the straight tracks, the curves, both wide and short. Again, they have a parts building playlist they can take a look at. We also started, some groups started making their coasters themselves, meaning that they got a base and they started putting the columns and beams together for the support structure to support the track. We have some construction tips playlist for them to be able to do that.